video, I will share with you how you can work collaboratively as a class to expand your writing to include digital writing. When you open the link on Schoology, you will see a slide deck over here on the left-hand side that has lots of different slides. Each slide is named with a different student's name. The first slide, which you can see over here in orange on the side, shows in the big screen when it's selected. On the main slide, slide number 1, has a list of all of your classmates' names, including yours. You need to find your name in the list. For example, if my name was Lisa, I would find my name here at the bottom, and you can click on your name. When you do, you'll see a pop-up right underneath, and it will tell you what slide number you have to write on. So I'm going to click slide 11. And you'll notice that on the side, it jumped all the way from slide 1 to slide 11. And I see my name is right here in the top corner. On this slide, I have a picture and I have a place where I can type. And I also have a message underneath. And it's helpful to read the messages underneath because they're usually directions your teachers have given you. For this particular story, it says, "Look at the picture. What is happening? Create a story about what you see. Click in the box to type your story. To make a capital letter, hold the Shift key, then tap the letter you want to be capitalized." That's just like an extra little helpful hint when you're using your keyboard and you want to make a capital letter. So when I'm looking at this picture, I'm going to look at all of the images and I'm going to make connections with things that I already know about items that might be in this picture. I can take this particular story and go any way with it. I can describe what I see in the picture. I can create a story about what might be happening. I could even tell you about my own experiences with things that I see in the picture. However you want to write your story, you're going to click right here in the white box where it says click to add text. You'll notice when you click inside that box that there suddenly is a blue box around it, and I see a blinking line. The blinking line is called a cursor, and it allows me to type in any program. Now I can look at my keyboard, and I know that my sentences are going to start with a capital letter, so I'm going to hold the Shift key, and I'm going to tap the first letter in my story, and I can keep writing from there. You do have a bar in the middle of your keyboard that's called a space bar. It's long and narrow at the bottom, and you'll notice when I type that if I push that button, it gives me one little space in between my words. You are going to want one space between your words and one space after your punctuation. When you are working in a collaborative slide deck, everyone in the class has their own slide. So it's really important that you only type on your slide. You should not be typing on anyone else's slide, and you should not be moving things around or adding anything else to your slide except for typing in the box. When you are finished with your writing, there's nothing to submit. You can simply click on the X in the corner of the tab that is shown, and that will make the screen disappear, and you're all set to go.